Hi guys, we are proud to announce that we are Escape Camper dealer now. We have just taken in this 2025 Transit 2 litre 6-speed camper van. It is awesome. I'll show you a few bits and pieces. They've got some real good bits on this one. One thing you'll notice when we open it up, usually you'll have your gas bottle down here. Not this time. We have got a fully electric version here, so there's no gas to worry about. Solar panels on there. It's got lithium batteries in there, 250 amp hour I believe. It comes with a air fryer, so if you like your air fryer, you can do all your chicken, everything you want to do. Come and have a quick look inside. You can see straight away how good the fixtures and fittings are on this. The upholstery is like something out of a luxury car. Obviously you've got your bed up the top there. You can zip this out so you can basically look at everything without having to have it all closed off. I'm going to go back to the comfy seat now. So it will sleep two up there. This will also go down into a bed as well. I'll just give you a quick demo. Put your hand down there, lever him across. That will form the base of it. You then, what I would always recommend you do is if you just put your seat belts into there, and then the same on this one, it just makes it that little bit easier when you're putting the seat back into a seat position. Just pull that up and that will then drop down there, and then lever there and that will come down. The nice bit about it is obviously it will make a flat bed, or should you want to sit up a little bit, you can have it sitting up there. What a lot of people would do as well is when the seat goes back up, if you leave that at this sort of level, you can use it as like a bit of a parcel shelf. You've got somewhere to put stuff and put stuff underneath, or you can put it fully back up. Come on in into the cab. We have got the most comfiest driving seats I've had for a while. You can see for yourself, it's got all the Apple Play, Android. You need to come down and see it really. You know where we are. We're on the A38 in Gloucester. If you want to give us a ring, it's 01452 730 100. Look at us on the website, or come down and see me or Gary and we'll get you sorted out. See you soon.